This is Jean with WTI. And as I'm always trying to keep my surroundings as clean as possible, this is where this toilet dog boil cleaner, automatic bowl cleaner comes into place. So this is where it gets as good as possible. I just have to open this guy up, just drop it in the bowl in the tank of my toilet, and the water is just gonna keep getting clean as always. The bowl, and not only the bowl, it's like every time I flush the toilet, it just stays away from all these different smells that could happen, and it's keeping my surroundings as clean, and the environment just smells nice every single time. And at the same time, it's cleaning up the tank. So the tank is an area that we don't go as often as we should, but having one of these guys just fix everything up, and it makes easy to make the cleaning stage as automatic as possible. So uncomplicated cleaning, here I am. So this was Jean with WTI, and that was my point of view.